We make a birthday. My niece, she makes a surprise birthday to her mom. This is simple birthday. It's not arrived yet because the rain is so hard. So the celebrant is not yet arrived. My God, I don't know. It's almost 7 o'clock, quarter to 7. So I'm sorry, cake is not arrived. So it means rain so hard. There's no cake. This is all our food, simple as that. Just a family, you know. It's not a, you know, surprise for them, for my niece, mom, my sister. She's my sisterite. So her birthday is just, you know, we're waiting. So simple as that. So the celebrant is not here. Look at how old is she? What she got in her birthday? So it means she's young. Oh, that's good, siyang. You give her this small one, oh, the eucalyptus. Nabi ako ani, and then she asked for that. Yep. Our celebrant is not here yet. Oh my god. So see our simple surprise birthday to her. Oh, we need to off the lights. Chang, we need to off the light. O diri nga side atong i-off. Ang pagsulod niya, she's surprised. Yeah, we can do that.